So hello guys, today we're gonna install for our video today is Terraform. So for your information, first is Terraform is a provisioning type in DevOps or in CI/CD. So it is used for configuring clouds. So I discover Terraform in roadmap.shush in the Devops Roadmap and in this one, Terraform. So you can learn more about Terraform and how it should be used, but today we're just gonna show you on how to install it and download it in your system. So let's come back on our Google, search Terraform download, then mm, go on this first one, or you can also go into this one. So in our case, our operating system is Windows. So we're gonna install using Windows. So right there. So it's up to you on what you want to download. So in my case, I want to download for AM64. It's still on Windows. So in my case, it's new. It's in zip file. Just downloaded it and wait for it if it's done. And then just go to your downloads. As you can see today, it's already in zip file. Yes, we just need to extract it first. Then there you go. So we can already delete this zip file. For, so as you can see, we already have this one. Let's just rename it in proper form. So then we can cut it and then paste it in our C drive. So it will not be on our downloads page. So as you can see, this is one. Just click on it. So you will not click on the application, which is Terraform.exe. You need to copy the path here in the top one. Then you can search to now environment variables. So we're gonna add the path that we copied. Then click on advanced. I click on advanced, then environment variables. Then click on the system, go to system variables, but you can also go to this one, to the user variables. But it is for only in the medal, or in the user's part. So in the system variables, it's installed globally. So just double click path and you just click new. We paste what we copied last time and click OK. Then click OK, then click OK here. So for us to check if Terraform is already installed in our system, you can just use or go to PowerShell. We type Terraform version. Mhm. So we're gonna wait. As you can see, Terraform version 1.9.8 on Windows AMD 64. So as you can see, it's already installed in our system. So that's more of it in how to use or on how to download Terraform. So you can learn more on how it's being used at this one in this website in Terraform.shu. They have a lot of resources to show. You can have their a Terraform roadmap, which is like focus on Terraform. You can access these resources in the roadmap. I'll just put it also in the description for you. It will not be much a hassle for you to search it. So that's all for the video. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.